So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how to actually turn off the actual code of your actual Apple Watch. So let's say you put the code on. So for instance, right now you've got here your actual Apple Watch and you go to settings, okay? Here it says turn off password, change password, but sometimes you've been telling me that when you go to the actual passcode app, sometimes it doesn't appear this actual option. So basically you just have to wait and eventually it will actually appear. So you click your actual passcode and then automatically you wait. Usually it's a few seconds, but it can take up to a minute or two. So please be patient because this is just deactivating the actual code and then you're ready to go. So this is what sometimes appears on the actual turning off, but if you wait long enough, it will actually let you, let's say, reprogram the actual Apple Watch without an actual password, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. And as always, thank you very much for watching. And if you've got any questions, as always, just leave it down here in the comments below and me or anyone from the Learning MG team will answer as shortly as possible.